Okay, friends, I came outside to fry the fish. You know, it's winter cold, but to avoid the fishy smell in the house, I like to use the outside. So I am going to dry my fish off. The oil is already in the pan with some pepper, and I'll add...
Oh.
Yeah.
You're not gonna take the head off that thing?
No, I'm not taking the head off. Oh, Jamaicans love to eat the head. They say if you can't eat head, if you're afraid for eye, you can't eat fish head.
Oh my God.
So we're gonna fry the fish. So the oil is hot. You have to make sure the oil is hot. What I'll do, I'll put them in opposite direction. Head and tail. Okay?
You just gonna eat it all?
You and I, we're gonna eat it.
Brother Rob is not eating that.
We're eating head and eye and everything, because we're not afraid for eye.
Family, she gonna eat that. Brother Rob is not eating nobody's head and nobody's feet.